Happening today, state lawmakers are expected to vote on a controversial bill that would ban abortions as soon as a heartbeat is detected.
News Channel 5's Mo Hyder is live at the state capitol for us this morning. And Mo, this is always a controversial topic.
Yes, it is, Amy. This bill specifically is being sponsored by Representative Micah Van Huss, and he does say that they will decide today whether this will stay in the Public Health Committee, stay in the legislature rather, or stop. And Van Huss says a heartbeat is typically detected 6 weeks after pregnancy. Another part of this bill that's bringing out opinions on both sides is that it would apply even to victims of rape and incest. If passed, though, this bill faces some hurdles, particularly from Democrats. They argue it's not right for a woman to keep an unwanted child. They also believe it'll end up costing the state a lot of money in the legal battles that would ultimately come if the bill is passed. Right now, state law doesn't allow abortions past what's called the viability unless it's done to keep the mother alive. It's already gotten the backing of Governor Bill Lee. Again, this vote is expected to take place today at 9 o'clock in the morning. At the state capitol, Mo Hyder, News Channel 5.
Thank you, Mo.